The scone is made with self-raising flour, which has already got the raising agent in it. And you can see here I've got chilled butter that's been cubed with a bit of sugar, self-raising flour, and in the jug is some milk that has been soured with a splash of lemon juice. This is really important because it helps to stop the gluten over developing with the handling of the dough, and that makes really light scones instead of heavy, dense ones. So the milk will look like it's been soured, but it's been soured with lemon juice, not bacteria. So you rub the butter into the flour and you get it until it's got a breadcrumb consistency. And then small amounts of the milk with the lemon and the vanilla at a time, and then mix it well in so that you know all of the milk has been used. And it depends on the hydration level of the flour, how much milk you need. So the recipe needs to be adjusted by you judging the readiness of the dough. At this stage, we're handling the dough quite a bit, and you need to get it into a ball pretty quickly. If you delay it, it binds up. So get it really quick. Mustn't be sticky, but it mustn't be dry. So it's got to be sticky in the hands, but not sticky on the table. And then you're just going to pat it and round it. You're not going to roll it out. We want to try not to overhandle this dough, even though the lemon is doing a good job of preventing gluten development. So you pat it and round it. You get quite a small dough ball, but you're going to keep bringing it together. And you want to make them the height of 2 fingers, which is about 1 inch. So you're tapping the pastry cutter into the flour and going straight down. Don't twist it because that basically pulls the dough and misshapes it. You want this to rise evenly. When you've done the first round, bring it together nice and quickly, pat it and round it, check the height of it with a previously cut version, and if it's not as high, push the edges together and then cut from that. And you keep doing this until you end up not being able to cut any with the same size pastry cutter. Make sure that you are using the same size pastry cutter for all of this batch, otherwise some will burn while the others will be raw. So you can see it's a very quick operation because we want to capture the raising agent as it's doing its job. And then you're going to brush all of them on the top with egg yolk, only on the top, but there's milk you can use as well, and then bake them until they're golden brown and they've got a little crack in them. This crack shows that the dough hasn't been overhandled, and it means you don't need to take a knife to them. You can simply pull them apart and fill them with whatever filling you want to fill them with. And this is a slightly sweet scone meant for jam and cream. The recipe is in the description below.